Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm just going to get straight into the video. So this video is going to be my wash day routine after taking down my 4-month-old braids, and I'm just going to show you guys my wash day process. So if you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So I just finished detangling my hair. If you guys haven't checked out that video, then I'll leave it linked down in the description box. So right now what I'm applying to my hair is rice water milk. So if you guys want to see how I made this rice water milk, I'll go ahead and leave it a link to that video down in the description box. The title of that video is 3 ways to make and use rice water. So if you haven't checked that out, I suggest you go and check it out. So I'm just going to apply this all over my twists. So I just finished detangling my hair, and I haven't washed out the conditioner or anything like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and straight and just put the rice water, not rice water, but the rice milk into my hair, just because I was already tired of detangling my hair, because I think it took me like 2.5 hours to detangle my hair. So I just didn't want to create another step, so I just went ahead and just put the rice milk into my hair, so that way I could just go ahead and shampoo my hair afterwards. So I'm just going to apply this all over my hair, and then I'm just going to wrap my hair with like one of those grocery bags, and then I'm just going to leave it in for 30 minutes. So I went ahead and washed out the rice milk from my hair, and I went ahead and shampooed my hair twice already in the shower, and I'm using Jacob's Pure-Castile soap, their almond honey, and I like to use Castile soap on my hair because I feel like it's less harsh than shampoo. And as you can see on the label, it's an alternative to shampoo. And normally I use the Dr. Bronner's, and I use their Peppermint one, but I could not find that anywhere. I went to like 4 different places to find it, but I could not find it anywhere. So I had to just settle for this one, but it still did the job, and it smells really good. So but I love the Peppermint one, so I definitely will be going back to that. But in the meantime, this is what I'm using. So this is the 3rd wash that I'm going to be doing on my hair. Also, I picked up a scalp massager while I was at TJ Maxx. So this will be my first time using one of those scalp massagers on my hair, and I decided to use it during the shampooing process, just to help promote and stimulate blood flow to the scalp, which also helps with hair growth. Also, I like to wash my hair in twist or in plaits. I just find it a lot easier because I do have a lot of hair, and also my hair is like tightly coiled. I'm not sure exactly what hair type I am, because I know when I first went natural, my hair type was definitely 4C, but I feel like my hair texture has maybe loosened up a little bit, or I don't know if it's because my hair's gotten longer, so my texture looks like it's changed, but it really hasn't. I'm not sure. But so yeah, so I just feel like after I detangle my hair, it's just a lot of work to detangle it again. So I just find it a lot easier to just keep my hair in twist or keep it in plaits while I'm going through the whole shampooing process and the conditioning process. So I just washed out the shampoo, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this conditioner in. This is the SheaMoisture's Black Jamaican Castor Oil conditioner, and I'm just gonna put that all over my hair, and then I'm just gonna wrap my hair up in a bag, and then I'm just going to let that sit on my hair overnight. I prefer to leave my conditioners in overnight because I just feel like when I wash my hair in the morning, my hair just feels a lot more like moisturized. It feels manageable.
What we do here is go back, 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 back.
So now it is the next day, and I'm just going to go ahead and wash out the conditioner from my hair. So now I washed out the conditioner from my hair, And I'm just going to let my hair just towel dry a little bit before I go into the styling process. So if you guys want to check out my styling video, I have that coming up soon. So I appreciate you guys watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.